Laser welding robots positioning system ensures precise, torsion alignment, avoiding defects like welding, deviation, undercut, and lag fusion. One self-designed fixture adjusts specific workpiece welds to optimal position, adapts to complex parts, and effectively resists thermal stress and deformation during welding. Laser welding robots pass rotating position as pass laser. Positioning systems form a highly intelligent, precise, automated welding shell widely used in automotive, manufacturing, construction machinery, sheet metal, fabrication, and pressure vessel manufacturing.